Ever notice how some investing platforms make you feel like you need a Wall Street badge just to buy a single stock? That was me before I switched to Questrade. I wanted something powerful but not a nightmare to use, and after a few months, here's the truth. The biggest win with Questrade is cost. Their trading fees are way lower than the big banks. Buying stocks or ETFs can cost as little as a penny per share with a cap, and ETFs to buy are commission free. That alone has saved me more than I expected. The interface is another plus. Their desktop platform gives you advanced tools and research if you're into charts, while the app makes it easy to check your portfolio without feeling overwhelmed. I especially like how smooth it is to transfer funds in and out. No crazy delays like I've had elsewhere, but it's not perfect. The learning curve is real if you're brand new, and their customer support, while helpful, can sometimes be slow to respond during busy hours. And while the fees are lower, options traders will still feel the costs add up over time. Overall, Questrade strikes a nice balance. Cheaper than traditional brokers, packed with features, and reliable for both casual investors and more serious traders. If you want control without paying bank-level fees, Questrade is worth checking out.